Hey guys, so what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to do a video on subtraction with regrouping using a place value chart. Now, you don't have to use a place value chart. You can literally just make one like this, and you can put hundreds, tens, and ones. You don't have to do the one at the bottom if you don't want to, or you can copy this one just like it is. So we're going to be subtracting 423 minus 265, and I'm gonna write that at the top so you guys can see the problem. So I'm gonna write up here 423 minus 265. So that's the problem that we're gonna do. So the method or the strategy I'm gonna show you is I'm going to show you how to subtract using place value discs. Normally, if I was in the classroom, I would have manipulatives or little place value discs, but because we're at home, I'm gonna draw them out so you can learn how to draw them out, and you can show your students or your child how to draw them out. So we have 423 minus 265. Now, the number that I'm going to draw out is 423 because we're going to take 265 out of the 423. So I have 4 hundreds. So I'm going to put my hundreds over here, and literally that's all you have to do. You're going to draw 4 of them. I really don't have no really preference on, like, style or whatever. So you can just draw them out. You have 2 tens. So I'm going to draw a 10, and I'm going to put a circle over it. Those are my 2 tens. And then I have 3 ones. All right, so I had to subtract 265 out of this 423. So let's start with the ones, because you always start in the ones place. So I have 5 ones. But I have to take out 5 ones, but I don't have enough ones. So I'm going to have to go over here to my tens, and I'm going to have to break down one of these tens. I'm going to have to break down one of these tens, and I'm going to have to break those tens that I broke down, and I'm going to have to change those to ones. So I broke down a 10, and now I have 10 ones. So I'm going to move those ones over here because now I have 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So now I have enough ones. I'm going to erase this right here because I don't want y'all to get confused. Now I have enough ones to subtract 5 ones out. So I'm going to subtract. So I need to take out 5. So let's take out 5. So I'm going to X out 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many ones does that leave us with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that leaves me with 8 ones. So I'm going to put 8 down here. Typically, I would draw those 8 ones down here, but we don't have time. So I put 8 ones down here. All right. Our next number. All right. So I have to take out 6 tens. I have to take out 6 tens. Now, mind you, we already broke down 1 10. So obviously I don't have enough tens. So I'm going to have to go over here to my hundreds, and I'm going to have to break down 100. And if you break down 100, you get 10 tens. So I'm going to break down 100, and I'm going to draw out 10 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wherever you have space. I drew these out kind of big. 10. All right, so now I have enough tens where I can take away 6 tens. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so how many tens does that leave us with? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 tens. So I'm putting my 5 here. Now we can subtract the hundreds. So I have to take away 2 hundreds. I have to take away 2 hundreds. Remember, we broke down 100 and we had to change that to 10 tens. So I have 3 tens left, and I still have to take away those 2 tens. So it's 2 hundreds. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1, 2. That leaves me with 100. And there you go. So 423 minus 265 equals 158. So I hope that helped you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions. I will go ahead and post these place value mats to my Google Classroom for grades K2 and 3-5 so that you guys can have them in here. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.